from the village band. Because they are cheats. First of all, they announce, don't miss, we are going to have a concert. Let's say Pablo the musician is coming. A lot of noise. The concert starts at 10. At 10, they open the gates. People enter 10. Curtain raisers 11. Curtain raisers midnight. You're waiting for the brother. Where is the brother? And the guy appears at midnight and has the courtesy to ask you if you're still there. Hello, are you still there? Where had we gone? Where do you think we are? You told us to be here by 10. Yeah? And then after coming, they start harassing the technical team. DJ sample that. Pull up. Track number 3. Why did you come for the rehearsal? Why are the guys paying the price on your behalf? And then starts giving you a speech of how he rose to fame. You know what, blah, 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 blah. DJ track number 3. And you know that actually they are the number 1 cheats. Because at times they don't even do the job. For example, let's assume I'm the musician. And this is the song. Samina, mina. Waka, waka. Samina, mina. It's time for who has sung and who has been paid. It's time you started sharing the money with them. And I also realized that it's very easy to become a musician, especially in Africa. First of all, the song doesn't have to make sense. As long as you can confuse the listener. You first give them the intro, which is always, it has nothing, a forest of words and a desert of points. Yeah? Did you understand? But they got your attention. Not so? There are 3 words you should know to become an artist in Africa. The first one is, watch this. Watch this. Isn't that what they do? The second word is you don't know. Watch this. You don't know. Indeed, you don't know. And the last one is Lord have mercy. They say no mercy, which means Lord have mercy. And I decided the day I failed to become a comedian, I will go into music. You know, when I sing, I move the crowd. They all move and go home. But tonight, I want to show you how these people compose the songs. Are you ready for this tragic moment? Are you ready? Village band, just play anything, I'll find my level. Yeah, man! This is your story, Pablo Banga. Wait a minute, let me check from back. Watch this for sure. My son, whether you like it or not, but I brought to you by watch this, you don't know. No mercy. I say, Babrigani, number 28. I went to the Wero, but now I stop under bridge. Again, Bulu, a band, a bye by 0. A 0.0 is a rap under. I'm Pabulo. These are the actions I must do. Salute for you and bend for you. Close my eyes and I'm sisting. Lumbase, mama lumbase. Okay. Ay mama we lumbase. Ay mama we lumbase. Tajaja ipamaja. Baby's got remix. We go. Amina tala siye aye. Amina do the buzz Colombo. Come do. Pull